took the time out today to hang out with a notary buddy who I consider my friend. And she said something that was very interesting to me. She said she could tell on my face that I had just was carrying a lot of weight on my shoulders. And sometimes your family members or your loved ones don't even understand how much pressure you be under at times. You know what I'm saying? I'm here at the Boardwalk in Charlotte, North Carolina. I love nature. I love water. Anybody that knows me know I love water. It's just like a spiritual connection. But yeah, she just said something that like I didn't even realize I was carrying all that stress and burdens, with business, having family, trying to juggle it all on my face. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of times we smile and we try to be pleasant and polite to people, but we just don't understand, like, it's okay to have days where you're down. It's okay to have life like sometimes beating you in the face, like literally beating you in the face, but then just to connect with someone who can just without you even saying a word pick up on that. I can't even describe it to you all. Like, it just changed my whole attitude and changed my demeanor. It just made me, it was like confirmation, like I really needed to work on whatever I was dealing with at that moment. And hanging out with her today really put like my whole world back on track again, believe it or not. And of course, being around nature, being around water, watching these little turtles just do what they was designed to do on this earth. And that made me think about, like, what am I designed to do on this earth? You understand what I'm saying? It's more than just work and pay bills and